Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. With this episode, we're going to be building part 3-49, the Boiler Ashpan Hinge Bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go into file, thank you, new, part MMGS. Okay, we're going to go top plane, sketch. We're going to do a curve part here, click it in there. Nope, that way, thank you. I'll do there. Just bring that down a bit, there we go. That's going to be a radius of 104. Let me do that way down there, just the other way. 104. Beautiful. Now, let me just lock these two in place. That's going to be horizontal. There we go. And that's going to be $50. So let me do smart dimension, point there, point there. Oh man, did it again. Smart dimension. Oh, no. That one to that one will be, let's say 50. Yep. Now let me bring that over. There we go. Bring that in a bit. There we go. Expand out, thank you. Now those two will be horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. There we go. Now we shall do a line up. Let me just go one across for now. And down. Okay, there we go. Let me just delete. Go line, thank you. Delete that one. Now we're going to go to offset. That is going to be the opposite way. Here's what? Reverse, there we go. And it's going to be what? 2 mil. That's something, where are we? Something about dimensions I saw. Okay, just leave it. And click OK, so it's there. Now we need to close that in. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's done. Not quite. We haven't done the measurement yet. How come this, actually, how come that one's locked in? Oh, dimension there, okay. Oh, it's not locked in, okay. I was going to say. We make them horizontal. Now we want smart dimension, this point here to that point there, which, well, I can't find it. Okay, seriously, yeah, there. Okay, take that there. That's going to be 25.2, 25.2. Now it's going to be extrude. That's going to be a height of 16. Remember the 8 I mentioned before on those holes in the last episode? Well, that's half of this. So this is where it's coming from. Mid-plane and done. There we go. Now, let's put some holes in this first before we start doing some other stuff. Let's see now. Nope, don't want that one. We want... Why is the front plane so far away? Normal 2 and sketch. Now we want 2 holes. 1, 2, they're going to be 5 mil, 5 mil, 5 mil. It's going to be 8 above, which puts halfway. So we put those 2 there. They could have lined up that, but always good to have the measurements there. And that should be 8 mil. Ah, That helps. Should be 8mm there. Yep. And that's driven, I'm going to put in there anyway. Now, this one to that one is going to be 25, not 25, thank you. And that one to that one will be 25 divided by 2, 12.5. Okay, that's those holes done. Yes, they are. Extrude cut. Extrude cut. Thank you. And through up to next and done. There we go. That's got a little bit bugging me, so I'm going to fill it. 2. You put 1 there, 1 there. That one there. And that one there. There's 2, look. 2 might looks a bit bulky. Yeah. Let's go 1. And done. Still gonna look a bit bulky. That's fine. We'll leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, so now let's go to this end. This will do. Doesn't matter which end. Normal. And sketch. Now we want to put a hole in. About there somewhere. And we want to put a point in. Gonna start there. There. And there. There we go. Beautiful. So now let's first off, before we do anything, let's go to connect that one to that one. Connect that to that, was going to be tangent. Then connect this one to that one, which is going to be coincident. There you go, and that should be in position. But now we first off, it's going to be a raise of 8. 8, there we go. That's definitely locked that one in. This is going to be a radius of 5. Oh, sorry, diameter of 5. Now we want to go line from there to there to there to there. We need to close that in so that way we can do what we want to do next, which is going to be extrude. It's going to be through all this time. We want to select that one, and that one. That way it cuts out. Thank you. That way it cuts out the curve and this hole there. Alright, that should be it. Now let me just double check something. Evaluate. Not saying so measure. This face to this face should be 46. It is 46. Perfect. That's what we needed. Let me just check something. I'm not too sure. I might miss something. Let me go normal 2. Sketch. That's locked in. Why is that? How come that's locked in? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Do I do the right measurement on that? Let me get out of there. That's that one. That wasn't the right one. Yeah, I was right one. So how did that lock that in? Let's make sure something, because this should be 17.2 from there to there. No, wrong. From that one. Okay, let me just try something. Let me go center line. Just put that there. There we go. Just I've got a marker there. Smart dimension, circle. That one. 16. Oh, there we go. I missed that one. 17.2. There we go. That's better. something I did not mention there. Exit out. There we go. That's better. So that should be redefined now. Excellent. That'd be bugging though. I thought, I don't remember measuring that. Alright, that's part 3-49. The Boiler Ashpan Hinge Bracket done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you again for your support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.